Hi, I'm Fiona from Team Hutchinson Ford. This is TC, my colleague.
Hello.
We're just going to talk to you and show you what we generally fit now on ranges is what we call a Keko or a soft tonneau cover. They're nice and flush and fitted to the well side of the truck. They've done away with the tonneau covers that used to have the bungy loops where you'd get scratching and things on the side of your well side. So it just fits nice and snug and looks really nice and smart on your new Ranger. Really easy to put on and off, or to roll up and roll back on. All you do, put your tailgate down. You'll notice there's a little loop here which you pull, and that releases the lugs here on the sides of the vehicle where that slots in. And then all you do is you roll your tonneau cover right back, nice and tidily. And then you'll notice at the end of your well side there's some little straps which you pop over there and you loop it. It has a wee attachment there where you can loop it. And then easy, just reverse the process to put it back on is just roll it back. And then you just make sure that you're slotting the little attachments back in under the runner so it sits nice and flits back in. Sometimes it helps when you've got another person on the other side to do it for you as well. TC was faster than me. Then you just make sure that when you're putting it back in, you're flitting those lugs back into that locking mechanism there, and so it slots down. There you go, all done.